Have you ever wondered what it would be like to drive worry-free from speeding tickets? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the concealed radar laser system we finished on the C8 Corvette. For the front of the vehicle, this setup has 3 laser jammers that will prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed. We fabricated housings for the laser jammers to aesthetically blend them into the bumper. The front radar detector is hidden behind the bumper and will alert you of police officers ahead. 3 laser jammers were mounted to the rear of the bumper above the license plate to prevent a laser gun from obtaining your speed from behind. A laser jammer housing was created to hide the jammers behind one lens and to prevent modifying the bumper when mounting and routing the wires for the jammers. The rear radar detector was hidden behind the bumper and will alert you of police threats from behind. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from Automods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media so you can keep up to date on all of our latest projects.